See, cutting like that. You can go there, go here. You can come here to see. Yes. The corner will go inside to the dust pot. This is cutting the TS molding, so it can cutting move very fast. But if you cut the OAK wood, very hard wood, it will need a little slow.
Yeah.
Yes. And then after that, you need to use this board to make that. Use this board. This step is most important. So in this way, it can move to another port for the TS-J40. More simple.
Good solution.
Yes.
How long do you can cut with this table before you
88 wise.
Okay.
Yes. And for this one, it's the advantage is that it's no need cutting mold.
How often do you clean the table? The MDF board?
MDF.
Yeah. How
Yes.
often?
If you
Sometimes you have to
if you
replace
find
it, yeah?
if you find at least here many damage,
Yeah.
then you can change.
Okay.
And you can buy in your local. Very easy.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. And for here, the stop also use the MDF. Here, the stop. MDF. After here, you cut off that. Then you can make the board here.
Is that new?
Here. I mean, this.
Before there was pieces, what you have to add is-
Before it was aluminium.
Okay.
But for now, we update that. We update them. Use this. After this, if all this broken, then you can change the new MDF board. So no need to. Before we have the luster inside to adjust the system to make every saw blade must go through the closing. But for now, no need care.
Is our machine with MDF here too?
Yes.
Today.
Yes, and see there. It must to put this the corner. After finish one cutting, then this cutting board will go back side and to make the corner inside. Then the worker can take off this and screw. Yes, it's more easy. Every cutting, then the dust and also the corner will blow to this port. Then after all cutting, go inside. See here.
Everyone in Germany and our company is very interested if the machine is coming. Everyone would like to see it.
Okay, let's go outside. Later I send this video to you. Then we'll know how the whole works.
Do you know what is the volume per hour from this exhausting system?
It must over the
8,000, 10,000?
like the 20 kW, 20 kW,
Okay.
like a big one. But actually, every customer they have the bigger dust cleaning system by themselves. Yes.
In Germany it's a little bit special. You need special specification for exhausting. It's
Certificate.
yeah, it's H3 certificate you needed.
Uh-huh.
If the dust collector have not that certificated, you can't produce in Germany.
Why?
Not possible.
Why?
Yeah. The government.
Okay.
But for every employee, it's good if you have a good adjuster.
Yes. Remember, you can make this car by yourself. And then this,
Can I take a photo of this? Yeah.
of course, take.
Yeah.
See here, after moving this, just put here. Put here. Put here, then make it in on this party.
The pellet, yeah.
Yes. So two worker, it can cut in 80,000 pieces. 80,000 pieces per day. Only 8 hours. Work 8 hours.
Great.
Yes. Two worker.